Okay, so today's video is going to be on how to replace a starter motor in a 1996 Isuzu Trooper. Just because this is such a weird location, probably be a good video to do. I started obviously by disconnecting the battery, jacking up the vehicle, I'm standing underneath it right now. I'm a professional, so I got this. It's not going to fall on my head. So I'm going to remove it and then I'll show you what I did. And it's going to take me a second. I don't know how to edit videos, so it's all just going to be kind of one long video. I'm not going to splice or anything. Just barely undoing the last. Undoing the solenoid on the back. Just my pure strength. Which isn't much. Ta-da! Okay. So now let me show you. It used to be up in here. I had to drop down the exhaust there, 3-bolt flange. There, 2-bolt flange, and there. Just moved it slightly out of the way. Disconnected the oxygen sensor wire because you have to like move it enough and the wire gets a little tight. And then I actually removed the front cross member so I could get my power tools in there because I'm too weak to get them by myself. And then, yeah, it's kind of weird how it sits in there with like these 2 bolts. It's not like usually just whoosh. So there you have it. Hope this helped.